Hello everyone. Today in this video I will explain you lesson number 7, stepwise thinking. So now let's start with it. What is stepwise thinking? Stepwise thinking helps in converting difficult tasks into simple steps, predicting the possible solutions to achieve the desired goal. Okay? Now let's see one example of stepwise thinking, that is stepwise washing of your hands. See, step number 1, turn on the tap. Step number 2, wet your hands. Step number 3, use the soap. Step number 4, make bubbles. Step number 5, rinse with water. And last, step number 6 is dry your hands. Okay? Now there are two types of thinking, that is problem solving and reasoning. Now see what is problem solving and what is reasoning. Problem solving includes the set of steps that we apply to reach a goal, and reasoning indicates whether the final solution is logical and practically correct or not. Now, every task, or we can say problem, can be divided into three parts. As you can see here, first is your initial state, next is the set of actions, and third is the goal state. Okay? Now, you have studied that the computer works on IPO cycle. So, here the initial state is similar to the input that the computer takes. The set of actions is similar to processing that is done after input is given to the computer, and the goal state is similar to the output that we receive as the final result. Okay, now just go through it. Initial state is the current state or the starting state. Set of actions, this is what you need to traverse or go from initial to goal state. Then the goal state is the final state which you want to achieve. Okay? Now let's see one case study. Your mathematics teacher has asked you to solve expression, that is 15 minus 6 into 4 divided by 3 plus 5 using BODMAS. Now see what is BODMAS, and the question is that you have to write down the steps to solve it. Now see what is BODMAS. Here the B represents brackets, O represents the order, D represents divide, M represents multiply, A represents add or addition operation, and S represents subtract or subtraction. Okay? Now see the stepwise solution of this problem. Step 1, solving both the brackets first. So here we have first bracket 6 multiplied by 4, that is 24. Okay. Another bracket is 3 plus 5 is 8. Right. Now see second step, solving the division operation first. Why? Because we have the priority that we have to solve the expression in this order. We have solved the brackets, now we will solve division operation. Okay, then we will solve multiply, then add, then subtract. Okay, so now first divide 24 by 8. What you will get? 8 3s are 24, so the answer will be 3 here, and simply copy it down. Now the final step is step 3, solving the subtraction operation, that is 15 minus 3, and the answer will be 12. Okay children, I hope you have understood the topics well and also like the video. Thank you everyone.